welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you an interesting and simple recipe that's called khandvi. Khandvi is a very delicious savory snack or an appetizer that you can have anytime with tea or otherwise. So let's get started with the simple recipe. The ingredients to make this khandvi are 1 cup of besan or chickpeas flour, 1.5 cups of water, a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of grated ginger. This is salt to taste, some hing or asafoetida, and this is approximately about half to 3/4 teaspoon. This is half cup yogurt and some grated green chilies. Now to make the seasoning for this khandvi, here are the ingredients. I have 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of mustard seeds, sesame seeds as well or til, some curry leaves, some cilantro, grated fresh coconut and some green chilies chopped. Now the first thing that I want to do is make a mixture out of all these ingredients that I just showed you for making khandvi, and in goes the besan or the chickpeas flour first. After adding the besan, I'm going to add the water and we are going to make a batter with all these ingredients. And now I'm adding the green chilies, the ginger, salt, hing, turmeric or haldi and yogurt. After adding all these ingredients, I'm going to just mix the entire mixture. I'm just using a hand blender to make a fine liquid out of all these ingredients. Now here's the pan that I'm heating, and this is the mixture that we blended, and now I'm going to pour this into this pan. Now after adding this mixture into this pan, I'm going to make the heat on low to medium flame and keep mixing this well till it becomes really thick. So the besan is going to make this entire mixture thick. So I'm going to continue mixing this the way I'm doing. And this khandvi looks difficult to make, but it's really easy and flavorful as well because I've added the hing, salt, ginger and green chilies in this mixture. So it's not bland as well. I'm going to turn off the flame now and I'm going to spread this on a flat, clean surface. So I'm just transferring my khandvi mixture on a flat and clean surface. I made sure I cleaned my countertop, and now I'm going to transfer this entire mixture quickly, really quickly on this. Now I'm going to start spreading this batter the way you can see and make it really, really thin. So let it cool down till we make the seasoning. To make the seasoning for this khandvi, I'm heating the pan and I'm adding some oil. Let the oil heat a little and then I'm going to add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start crackling, I'm adding the green chilies and the curry leaves or curry patta. I'm also going to add the sesame seeds. After adding the sesame seeds, I'm going to just turn off the flame. And our tadka is ready. Now this khandvi is almost ready, and let me just start cutting this in between. I've cut this out right now and I'm going to start rolling it to see if I'm able to roll it or not. make small pieces like this. Something like this. And I'm going to roll out the other pieces. Now I've added the seasoning on our khandvi that we just prepared, and I'm just garnishing it with a little bit of cilantro. I have some freshly grated coconut that I'm going to spread on this to garnish it. This coconut adds an additional flavor to it. And our khandvi is now ready. I hope you enjoyed this khandvi recipe, and if you did, do like, share, comment, subscribe, and do click on the bell icon as well to get notifications when I post new recipes. And till next time, thanks and bye-bye.
I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.